Alex at Right Track here. Today we're going to be talking about our Shinwa T&H unit repair program. As a part of this repair, we test each unit on a track for 48 hours before shipping. This repair includes a new temperature controller, a new humidity controller, a new compressor, a new DI water fill valve, and we use environmentally friendly refrigerant. As a part of our standard repair, we clean the evaporator coil. We've recently introduced the option to upgrade to a brand new evaporator coil to maximize the efficiency of the unit. So I have 3 units out at our repair area right now, so we're going to look at those in a second.
Okay, so we have our 3 T&H units lined up here. You're looking at the evaporator coil on 3 of them. Here we have an evaporator coil as it typically comes in for repair. You can see it's covered in tarnish. Typically in these conditions, they're extremely inefficient or sometimes non-functional at all and the unit is not working properly. Here in the middle we have a cleaned evaporator coil. This is a part of what we do is our standard repair process here. This is going to restore it to working condition. On the right over here, we have a completely replaced coil. This is going to maximize your efficiency of the unit, and it's going to give the user the most precise degree of temperature and humidity control. This replacement option here will effectively restore your unit to new condition. So please reach out to us for this at parts@righttrack.com, and we're happy to get you started with the repair process. Thanks.